Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 4 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a drained battery, a faulty power connector, or internal hardware failure. If left unaddressed, it may lead to more severe damage, potentially costing you more in repairs down the line. To successfully tackle this repair, you will need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure you turn off your Surface Pro 4 and disconnect it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, gently insert it between the screen and the casing, applying a little pressure to create a gap. Carefully slide the tool along the edges to loosen the adhesive, being cautious not to damage the screen. Once you've sufficiently opened the device, you should be able to see the internal components. Look for the battery connector, it's usually located near the bottom of the device. After locating it, gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out. Now, if your device has a faulty battery, replace it by removing the screw securing it in place with the Phillips screwdriver. Be mindful of the types of screws and their lengths, as you wouldn't want to mix them up. When replacing the battery, ensure it's seated properly and reconnect the battery cable firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secure, it's time to close your Surface Pro 4. Carefully align the screen back onto the casing, applying gentle pressure to ensure it seals properly. Finally, power on your device to check if the problem is resolved. If it turns on successfully, congratulations! To prevent this issue from happening in the future, try to keep your device charged regularly and avoid letting the battery drain completely. Additionally, ensure that you use a proper charger and avoid any physical damage to the device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.